Dyson Cool fans have powerful airflow and are up to 75% quieter. Air is accelerated through an annular aperture and passes over an airfoil section, drawing in surrounding air to project smooth, powerful, high-velocity airflow. There are 10 precise airflow settings controlled by the remote. A sleep timer can switch the fan off after preset periods, from 15 minutes to 9 hours. For whole-room high-velocity air projection, there is smooth oscillation, and the remote is magnetized to store neatly on the loop. The machine has a soft touch button that controls airflow, and it pivots on its own center of gravity, staying put without clamping. Because there are no blades, it is safe as well as easy to clean. Dyson Cool fans. Powerful airflow, no blades.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain.
To circulate air throughout a medium to large room and is easy to store when not in use. To assemble, first click the two base halves together, then remove the locking nut from the bottom of the fan housing. Thread the cord through the base and place the fan housing into the base. Thread the cord once again through the locking nut, twist the locking nut onto the base until you hear an audible click. For cord management, slide the cord through the inside guide tabs and out through the bottom. Replace the thumb screws for added stability, stand your fan up, and it's ready for use. For a powerful tower fan, try the Honeywell Quiet Set Tower Fan. For more information about Honeywell fans, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.